Welcome back to this lecture series on C programming. In this video, we are going to see what is a development environment, and we are going to understand how the process goes on for C compilation, execution, and writing the code. C is a programming language. We know this. And as all the languages have some grammar, right? If you just talk about English language, English is a communication language. Okay, whereas C is a programming language. English has its own grammar, it has its own set of words which are explained in a dictionary, and we have some set of rules which will tell us what is a correct sentence, what is a wrong sentence. Similarly, with C, there are some words reserved, we call them keywords, and there are some rules. Okay, these rules are called grammar of the programming language, and we need not to learn them as of now for learning C programming language. They all are written into a software called compiler. So what a compiler does is, we have a C code here. The code will end with C, say for example a.c. Ending with .c means it is a C programming language text. Okay, this is the code of C programming language. This will be given to a compiler, and the compiler will give us the running software. So now we will go and see how this whole process takes place. So in the first video I explained that all the files are stored on the disk. So say for example, this is our disk. So we will write our C code. This is, say for example, our desktop screen, and we are going to write our C code in some text editor. This is my screen. I'll have some text editor. Okay, make sure it is a text editor, because we can't go with Microsoft Word and all, because they have their own formats of storing the text. So we need a plain text editor. I'll recommend you guys to go for Notepad++ or Sublime Text Editor. You can use Notepad, of course. If you are dealing in Windows operating system, then these three are which I'm going to prefer. I'll make a separate video on how to set up your development environment on Windows operating system. Then the next video will be for any Unix based operating system. That means if you are using Linux or Mac operating system. In Linux we will be dealing with Ubuntu, that is Debian, but I'm going to say will work for all Debian operating systems. And the last one is going to be for clouds. Okay, if you feel like your computer is not capable enough of running C program, because generally people have this misconception, so I'll tell you how to set up a machine on cloud and run it from your PC. I want you to realize that C programming language was able to run on PDP-7 computer. So no matter which computer you are running, it will be having, say for example, Intel i5 8th generation, lower also 5th generation. All of them are capable enough of executing C programming language. It's very close to hardware. It does not require any extra support or anything. It will easily execute. But still, if you feel like you don't want to keep things on your system, you want them to be portable, you want them to be accessible from anywhere, you can go for cloud. So we'll write our code, and using a text editor we'll write and we'll save it. It will be saved on the disk. Okay, this is my C code, say for example m.c. Thereafter we are going to call the compiler, and we will give our this file, this C code, to the compiler, and we will ask the compiler to process it. So this will be given to compiler. This is our compiler. Now compiler will create its executable code, and it will store it back on the disk. So this will become my .exe file if we are dealing with Windows, or .out file if we are dealing with some Unix based system. The name will be same, m.exe or m.out. This lecture will be followed by 3 videos. First one will be covering how to set up all of it in Windows operating system. Second will be dealing with Unix, and the third one will be dealing with cloud based. So if your environment is already set, I don't want you to go and see these videos. This video was enough to understand how the things are working actually inside the computer. So please like, share and subscribe. Peace.